The use of AI is increasing day by day, and in this developing world, AI has a significant role in it. Have you ever heard of an AI that is 10 times more powerful than Gorilla AI? If you haven't, let us move on to know about the Tool LLM. The future of AI depends on Tool LLM, a potent AI model that is 10 times more effective than Gorilla AI and has special capabilities and additional APIs. Thanks to its extensive dataset called ToolBench, which was developed by experts from Meta, Microsoft, Stanford, and UC Berkeley, this AI, dubbed Tool LLM, is 10 times more powerful than Gorilla AI and can connect with numerous online services and tools with APIs, allowing it to understand and carry out tasks based on instructions from users in simple language. The Tool LLM can learn new APIs and utilizes decision trees called DFSDT to decide which API action to take in response to plain language queries. Because Tool LLM can learn to utilize new web tools and services, whereas Gorilla AI is restricted to using existing APIs, it is more effective than Gorilla AI. Tool LLM is 10 times more better than Gorilla AI, delivering wider comprehension, more in-depth knowledge, and the capacity to quickly adjust to the constantly evolving online environment. In addition to being open source and community-driven, LLM AI model has special characteristics and is anticipated to be used in a variety of industries, including education, healthcare, entertainment, and finance. By following specified instructions and downloading the required software, developers may run the Tool LLM AI model on their own PCs and utilize it as a chatbot or virtual assistant. Although the Tool LLM AI model is effective, there is still potential for progress in the areas of data enrichment, accuracy enhancement, decision-making process knowledge, and resolving ethical issues in diverse businesses. The Gorilla model emerged as a groundbreaking invention in the fields of machine learning and language processing (NLP), setting new norms in API interaction, flexibility, and constraint-aware choice-making in the fast-changing world of large language models, LLMs. Its outstanding assessment results, which included hallucination-free API calls, highlight its cutting-edge capabilities and computing infrastructure dependability. Gorilla's distinctive qualities place it as a top model in the model registry, whether it's making trade-offs in constraints or reinventing digital interactions through API calls. What is Gorilla AI? Gorilla is a cutting-edge large language model, LLM, created to comprehend natural language queries and correctly call over 1,600 APIs. Its main goals are to lessen hallucinations and provide an easy-to-use interface for both programmers and non-developers. Gorilla is designed to give semantically and syntactically accurate API calls by fine-tuning llama weights and utilizing the strength of transformer architecture. What are all the key features of it? 1,600 plus APIs may be accurately called using natural language requests. Additionally, it can lessen LLM's hallucinations. Gorilla AI is open source, user-friendly, and flexible to a variety of purposes and tools. It is also continually improving as a result of community contributions. In the current digital era, it is crucial for every online business or marketer to provide high-quality and compelling content. But creating quality material on a regular basis may be time-consuming and difficult, especially for individuals who aren't experienced writers or don't have the requisite abilities. A cloud-based content production tool called Content Gorilla AI 2.0 seeks to make it easier to produce valuable and interesting content. It promises to leverage cutting-edge artificial intelligence tools to assist users in quickly creating original and interesting content. A web-based program called Material Gorilla AI 2.0 employs AI technology to assist users in producing original and interesting material for their blogs or web pages. By turning any YouTube video or website into a properly written blog post, essay, or ebook, it enables users to produce content. The program analyzes and extracts essential points from any video or web page using cutting-edge natural language processing (NLP) technology, and then leverages those points to produce original, high-quality content. In accordance with their requirements and preferences, users can change the material. Gorilla AI 2.0 has a number of new and enhanced functions. They are multilingual content creation. The new edition makes it simpler for businesses to produce content for their international consumers by enabling users to do so in more than 104 different languages. Better Material Editor. The new editor has various customization features that let users alter the material to suit their requirements and tastes. The program also features an article spinner that enables users to modify their text and produce a number of different variations. Auto Photos Integration. To save users time and effort, the program automatically finds and incorporates pertinent photos into the material. Features and advantages of Material Gorilla AI. Number 1. The program employs cutting-edge AI technology to produce original, high-quality material in a matter of clicks. Number 2. Simple to use. Even non-technical individuals can easily produce content with Content Gorilla AI thanks to its user-friendly interface. Users may update and personalize the information according to their requirements and tastes, adjusting the font and font size, as well as incorporating photographs. Number 3. Saves time and effort. By generating high-quality material in a matter of clicks, the program allows users to focus their time and effort on more essential responsibilities. Number 4. Cost-effective. When compared to hiring content writers, Content Gorilla AI is a more affordable option. Anyone that needs to produce interesting content fast and effortlessly should use Content Gorilla AI. Small enterprises, business owners, bloggers, and digital marketers that want to create high-quality content quickly and easily should use it. Let us see what an LLM really is. The algorithmic foundation for chatbots like Google's Bard and OpenAI's ChatGPT is a large language model. The technique is based on trillions of variables, making it both incorrect and non-specific for application in vertical industries. When ChatGPT emerged in November 2022, it popularized the notion that businesses and consumers might utilize generative artificial intelligence (AI) to automate activities, spur creative ideas, and even develop software. A chatbot like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's Bard can condense an email or chat conversation into a brief summary if you need it to. AI can assist you if you need to improve the phrasing and bullet points on your resume. Need inspiration for a fresh marketing or advertising campaign? Saving grace? Generative AI. The term Chatbot Generative Pre-trained Transformer is ChatGPT. The GPT Large Language Model, LLM, a computer program that evaluates human language inputs and guesses the next word based on what it has already seen, serves as the chatbot's theoretical underpinning. Then it makes predictions for the subsequent words and so on, until it is given a complete response. LLMs are next word guessing engines, to put it simply. Open models like Google's Lambda and Palm LLM, which is the inspiration for Bard, Hugging Face's Bloom, and XLM Roberta, NVIDIA's Nemo LLM, XLNet, Cohere, and GLM 130B are other common LLMs in addition to OpenAI's GPT-3 and 4 LLM. Particularly open-source LLMs are gaining more popularity since they let a group of developers build more flexible models for less money. The release of Llama, large language model Meta AI, by Meta in February sparked an upsurge in the number of developers eager to build on top of open-source LLMs. LLMs are a subset of AI that can now be trained using a vast amount of books, articles, Wikipedia entries, articles from other sources on the internet, and other information to create replies to natural language questions that resemble those of a human. That is a huge lot of information, but as manufacturers try to tailor them for certain purposes that don't require the enormous datasets utilized by today's most popular models, LLMs are likely to contract rather than grow. For instance, according to one article, Google's new Palm 2 LLM, which was unveiled earlier this month, employs 3.6 trillion tokens or sequences of words, about 5 times as much training data as its predecessor did just a year prior. Palm 2 can now handle more challenging coding, math, and creative writing assignments thanks to the extra datasets. An LLM is a machine learning neural network that has been trained with the input-output sets of data. Often, the text is unstructured or uncategorized, and when the model uses a self-supervised or partially supervised learning approach, when information or material is inputted into the LLM, the predicted next word is produced as the output. The input can be confidential company information, or, like with ChatGPT, any information that is supplied to it and grabbed straight from the internet. It is necessary to deploy large, pricey server farms that function as supercomputers to train LLMs to use the correct data. There are millions, billions, or possibly trillions of factors that regulate LLMs. The newest model from the business, GPT-4, is said to contain 1 trillion parameters and has 175 billion parameters in OpenAI's GPT-3 LLM. Considering all the features of Gorilla AI, the fact that Tool LLM, claiming to be 10 times faster, is shady. Though tests and benchmarking is currently going on, only time will reveal who will stand to be on top of this AI race. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching our content, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts below in the comment section.